Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 2. Guys, hang on, I gotta turn that light off behind me. There we go, that's better. I've got some leftover paints here. It's leftover from my collaboration with the talented and the sweet, not the collaboration, the do's and don'ts with this sweet, sweet Fiona. What a lovely soul she is. I'm happy to know her. So I figured we'd use them up, as well as look what I got in the mail today. How about that, guys? Sweet Marcy, thank you. This is from Mix Media Girl. You can get these on her, well, she's not on Etsy anymore. I'll post a link in the description box below. I can't remember how the heck I got them, but I'm very, very happy to have them. So we're going to be using one of these today, this wonderful split cup. Let's talk about our colors. Our base coat is already down. That is Rust-Oleum Metallics, and that is the Metallic Champagne. Our pouring medium today, because I am doing a ring pour, is 1 ounce paint, 2.5 ounces of the mix pour, and I just figured out, guys, how you get this because it's no longer Carpeta Art. Krista's website, I will post that in the description box as well, so you can reach out to her to get this wonderful product. I use it because it's thicker than Floetrol and my GAC 800, and I need a thicker paint when I'm doing a ring pour. I also mixed in about a half part of the Golden GAC 800 for good luck, guys. So we are 1 part paint, 2 parts of the mix pour, a half a part of the Golden GAC 800, and water to consistency. Some of these paints were thicker than others, so I had to add a little bit of water to them. In this yummy cup right here, we have DecoArt Satin Enamels, and that is the Beige Neutral. And this yummy cup right here, I don't know if you can see that shimmer, guys, but that is a combination of Liquitex Burnt Umber as well as Golden Fluid Iridescent Bronze. Very nice color combination. The Iridescent Bronze kicks this up a notch, guys. And this yummy color, oh my goodness, be still my heart. I love these earth tones. That is a combination of Golden Fluids, the Q word, Golden Nickel Azo Gold, not bad, Kathleen, and Golden Iridescent Copper. I start out with this, add a little bit of this, maybe a little bit more of that until I get it to the right color that I am looking for. I needed no water in these paints because they're fluid paints, and once I added my mix pour as well as my Golden GAC 800, they were the perfect consistency. This yummy cup right here. Now, those of you who know me know I do not use a lot of yellow, but that was part of my do's and don'ts channel. This is challenge. This is Golden Yellow Ochre. And no water needed in this. 1 part paint, 2 parts mix pour, a half a part Golden GAC 800. No water in this guy. It's a fluid paint. I didn't need it. This is also left over from the pour. This is Arteza, and this is the Pearl Deep Brown. Little water in this guy because he's a heavier body paint. And becoming one of my new favorite colors, this right here is Charvin, and that is their Indigo. And I'm not sure if I'm going to use this, but this is left over from my last pour. It's just a layered cup of all the colors that I just shared with you guys. Let's go ahead and put some tunes on. Let's get busy. Let's layer Marcy's cup. I'm excited, guys.
you do what you want to do, 'cause I believe that it's rare. Only badass people do that. The first rays of the sun hit the fresh green leaves, and a rabbit not many weeks old eats some greens and shows some trust to a perfect stranger. And I wanna feel and see more, but I'm trapped inside. I'm a prisoner of the past, though I know that things don't last. I'm going home, but I don't know the way. If I'm lucky, I'll live halfway. If I'm unlucky, I only have today. What kind of weird plan is this? Needs to be shown, there's nowhere to be known. And the desert lands of the Western Kingdom leaves me cold. Gone is the old, long live the old, and I'll never do what I'm told to, unless the voice comes from within, combined with a notion of begin. The inner room is cold and I'm dead and numb, deaf and blind. Oh, it's been too long since I heard life's true song. A worry for my soul. Golden days, so many ways. Lost my way. One's enough.
All that I've been dreaming about, it is all too close. I got it all, but I'm paralyzed. I don't know which way to go. But I keep walking right into your arms, and even falling. I'm falling with you. I'm standing with you, got it all in my hands, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm walking outside, taking in all the air, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm fading away under the lights, but I figured it out. This is all 'cause of you. 'Cause you take my breath away. All the voices inside my head used to be my only friend, but they go silent when you're around. I hope you stay till the end. But I keep walking right into your arms, and even falling. I'm falling with you. I'm standing with you, got it all in my hands, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm walking outside, taking in all the air, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm fading away under the lights, but I figured it out, this is all 'cause of you. 'Cause you take my breath away. With your